All right, hello everybody, and welcome. This is Revoto Max. I'm doing a video today about Amcrest Surveillance Pro and setting up Surveillance Center, which used to be called a camera wall. So you hit the ad, and it comes up and it gives you the ability to make a name. Okay, then inside of here, you want to click this, and then you want to choose what you want to add from. So going to add this from my 4K NVR. For this one, we're going to drop this here, put this one here, we'll throw this one here, and throw the back door there. Now, something that I suggest is changing these from the sub channel to the main. You'll have to do that on all of them. And then how long do you want it to stay? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to, for me anyway, I'm going to leave this. If there's other things you'd like to do, preset or anything like that, you can set that up here as well. Press save. This is going to be display 1. If you have others, you can do others as well. We're just going to continue on what we have here. This will be display 2. Okay. On this one, we're going to stick with the 4K NVR. We're going to put this one here, change that to main. We'll throw this one here, change that to main. And what do we want to do now? Let's see. All right, so we saved that one like that. We're going to add another one. This one here, we're going to also go from the 4K NVR. We're going to drop the 850. Click on main. Drop the second 850. Change that to main. Go back here to change that to main. And change that to main. Press save. So there's our 3 displays. Then what happens, remember this is NVR2, go here and you click live view. Then if we look down here at live view, in the live view area, we see this NVR2, and if there was more, you could, click them. And then you just hit start. And for whatever reason, this channel doesn't want to load up. Interesting. I don't know if this one's, well, that's weird. When you're ready to stop, hit stop, and it'll stop. Why this is doing this, I am not sure. Might have an issue with a connection issue. But that gives you a generalized idea. Let's close these out for a minute. Click here. Let's check my 850s and see what's going on. That's interesting. Well, that one's working, but this one isn't. This is working. But for some reason, this one isn't. Anyway, oh, there we go. So now, again, let's hypothetically say that, we were looking here and we're done looking and we want to go back to our site, our security wall, or as they call it, the surveillance center. You just hit play again. It'll do individual, or you can show the 4 as you had it set up. Because I was in an individual window, that's why it was only showing the individual. Again, don't know why this one isn't showing up. And this one is that other 850, but for some reason, it's just being a pain. But you get the idea. Anyway, until next time, thanks for watching. This is Reba to Max. Be safe.